In this video, I'm going to give you the exact 7 steps to generate a ton of quality referrals and sales from LinkedIn. You can do this in 15 minutes a day and only about a $15 a month expense. So let me tell you very quickly how I got here and why I'm sharing my LinkedIn strategy with you. I started selling, in my case, real estate, and I was so shy I couldn't pick up the phone and get rejected. I would actually literally stare at for hours. Through determination and practice, I became very good at sales. Sold over 100 million. In the end, I focused on high-end clientele. That shows how I got a lot of confidence along the way. But along the way, I paid a fortune to so-called gurus and experts, and in a lot of cases, that was a complete waste of my money. So being super sick of that, I started using or created my own LinkedIn strategy. Long before, I was using LinkedIn long before anybody even was really kind of thinking about it. After years of succeeding with it, piece by piece, manually, about 2 years ago, I created my own LinkedIn strategy that goes 10 times faster than manually, that is 10 times cheaper than any expert or guru will offer, and it's been 100% successful with everyone I've shared it with. So here goes, let's dive right in. Step number 1, your profile needs to be great. It needs to have a great cover photo, great headline, great description of what you do, and they should all say something very unique. You need to stand out right away from your competition. You need to make people stop and think you are worth talking to. Step number 2, LinkedIn has a limit of 150 actions a day. That means you can connect or message 150 people a day. Now, if you did that 5 days a week, that'd be reaching out to 750 potential clients a week. And I'll talk to you about how to do that in only 15 minutes a day later on in the video. Step number 3, the first thing you have to do is to invite somebody to connect with you. Now, I'm going to say 100%, listen to this. There needs to be no message in that invite. If you put a message in there, that gives people a much bigger chance to delete you or ignore you. They may not like what you say or want what you say you have. And you never sell on the first date per se. I've been doing this for a long, long time, and it works 100 times better when you invite or connect with somebody with no message. Now let's talk about the message itself. You give everybody about a week to connect, and then you message them, because not everyone's on LinkedIn every day. The most important thing I may say in this entire video is the first message needs to be non-salesy. Only ask for a mutually beneficial referral relationship. Let's see how you can help each other, how you can exchange valuable referrals with each other. Step number 5. Remember, I said there's a 150-a-day limit. There's an app for that. Doing that manually, which I did before, is a nightmare. I would absolutely going to say to you, do not pay a so-called social media or LinkedIn expert or guru to do it for you. You'll be charged a fortune, and they aren't that good. Personally, I use a third-party app that costs only $15 a month, and it only takes 15 minutes of your time a day once you're good with it. I guess, did you hear me here? I hope. Do you understand that you can use this forever at $15 a month? That will reduce your marketing expenses by a fortune. Step number 6, follow up. Once you have that first connection, you have messaged them, the first thing, everything you need to do every day is go to LinkedIn, open it up, go to your messages, and hit the drop-down arrow. Choose unread messages and answer everyone personally, which leads to the ultimate goal, which is step number 7, and that is getting together with somebody on a Zoom meeting or a phone call, possibly in person, but I know nowadays it's very hard to meet in person. My choice for you would be Zoom. The goal is to learn about each other's business, how you can refer clients to each other. Now, once you have that meeting, if you didn't or don't receive a referral right on the spot, you need to have them in a CRM and touch base every month. Keep each other at top of mind for referring business to each other. So you do this by staying in touch every month, and that could just be a simple email. Do these 7 steps and give LinkedIn a priority 5 days a week, and I guarantee it'll bring you huge dividends and referrals and sales. I'll be doing some future videos in detail on each step, but don't wait or hesitate to use LinkedIn hardcore. You're absolutely welcome to reach out to me above. There should be a bunch of ways above and below this video. In 30 minutes, you'll learn my entire strategy on a Zoom meeting, and you'll learn exactly what to say in your message, which is super important. The question I'm going to ask you before I go is, don't you want your business to be by referrals rather than all those ads? I'm spending money on ads and hardcore prospecting. Again, there should be ways to reach out to me above and below this video, a bunch of ways. I've even put a couple testimonials in the comments below, and I'll either talk to you soon or I'll see you in another video.